ain't going nowhere, sis. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Outre melted hairline unit. They came out with a new style. This one's in the style, I want to say KAMIYAH. And then I have her in the color DR2/ginger brown. I do want to say thank you to Outre for sending over this unit for me to review for you all. So if you are interested in seeing what this unit looks like on and what are my thoughts on it, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload. And then follow me on my socials, which will be right here on the screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go. All right, so here she is straight out of the packaging. This color is gorgeous. I love this color. I don't think I've ever tried the ginger browns, but okay. This is gonna be a look for this fall season, okay? So if you aren't familiar with the melted hairline, here is what their lace process looks like. So this one is made as a middle part wig only. You have a bunch of lace exposure around your hairline, making it look like more of a natural look. And then we have some combs right here on the side, the ones that are closest to your temple. And then you have a comb right here in the back as well with some adjustable straps. And then in this unit, they also put an elastic band for more security. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up my adjustable straps. We're gonna put on my wig caps. Oh, hello security. This unit is feeling nice and snug. Do y'all see how I'm pulling? My gosh, I gotta be careful to not rip the lace. Okay, so she's tight, but I love how tight this feels. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go get my Got To Be spray because I'm actually going to spray this down. I want to see what she looks like being real secure. So in order to lay this wig, I want it to be kind of stuck because I'm gonna wear it for the day. I am going to use his olive oil Fix It Super Hold spray, and I'm just going to spray it on top of the lace and then just blow dry it down. Okay, so in person, my lace looks like it blends, but I can see on camera where it looks really light right here. And I just used my bronzer and it still looks pretty light. I mean, let me see if I can possibly cut off some more lace. I try not to cut off too much lace because I like to have some lace to work with. But I'm like, see, like, look, right now, you can't even see it. Like, I honestly can't even see where I'm trying to cut. So if there's really, honestly, there's no more lace for me to cut. This right here, this little piece right here, but that's it. The rest of it, I can't cut it because I'll be cutting off hair. To use my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one's in Pure Beige. So now I'm going to go over the end since my flat irons are now hot. Okay guys, so now I have completed the install of this unit, so let's get into my thoughts on the wig. First, we'll start off with a rating. How I would rate this wig, I think I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10, and let me explain why. The reason I can't give it a whole complete 10 out of 10 was mainly due to the shedding. There was just a lot of hair coming out of it, and I'm not quite sure if it was just my unit personally. I need to watch other wig reviews on this unit to see if anybody else had that same problem, but I definitely experienced quite a bit of shedding with this unit, and I did use a wide tooth comb when combing it out, and I still lost a lot of strands, so I'm not a huge fan of that, so that's why I would give it an 8 out of 10. So we can discuss the lace. I really do like the lace. It's a transparent HD lace, I believe is what it says. Yeah, so it's a transparent HD lace, and I like the fact of how thin it is and how easy it was to work with. I used my Fix-It spray to hold it down and just keep it in place, since I do plan on wearing the unit for the day, and it did its job. I still think that the lace might be a little light. I feel like on camera it's appearing a little bit more, and that could possibly due to the fact that I have like remaining lace on here, but I always do that with my units. I don't cut off all the lace because I don't want to mess up the hairline. I don't want it to be like parts of the, basically like the edges or anything. I don't want to cut that off, because the closer you get to it, you could end up cutting off part of your hairline, and I don't want to do that. So usually I can just pull it off by putting some powder on it, some makeup on it to make it disappear. But I feel like on camera you can still pick up how light the lace was, and it's supposed to basically have a kind of reasoning of disappearing, and it didn't necessarily do that, but it kind of did, just a little bit. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section below what you think of it. I absolutely love this color. This color is gorgeous. It is it's an absolute staple for this season coming up. This would be a perfect color to rock all fall. I like the style of the unit. I am a fan of middle parts, as you guys already know. I love a middle part wig, and I love when they have these cute, huge, big bangs that flow and fall right in the face. Personally, I wish the unit would have been a little bit more thick. I feel like they could have made this unit a lot thicker, but that's your choice, your preference on what you would like. Some people might prefer their unit to be a little bit more on the thin side, and I think this unit does fall in that category of being a little thin. I feel like your bangs are like super big right here, and then it kind of falls off towards the end, but I guess that kind of makes it look more natural if you don't have it as full. I don't know. I do like the fact that they have this frontal effect with the synthetic unit. If I was to just be playing in my hair one day while wearing this unit, if I pushed it back, it does look like I have an actual hairline here. So I do like that that is the purpose of the unit. So this unit ranges around $37 across all websites. I did look them all up to see how much they cost on each site, and they all have a price range of around $37.99, so it's a little under $40. Cap size, I kind of spoke on that earlier. It was a little snug, which I did do my adjustable straps, by the way, but it was like, it was kind of like, I ain't going nowhere, sis. I promise. When you put this on, I ain't going nowhere. But I like that, okay? I like that when I was pulling the lace forward, I could feel a little tug. I like to feel that security in my wigs, and it just makes wearing the wig a lot more comfortable. It's not like squeezing like it's going to give you a headache, but it's tighter in the fact of, okay, I feel like my wig is not going to budge. This unit also comes with baby hairs, but since I knew I was going to use my spray to just kind of melt it down how it was, I did not add any baby hairs, and I absolutely like it this way. This is how I would wear this unit on a daily for sure. But yeah, I think I answered most of the concerns that you would have with purchasing the wig. If I didn't, leave it in my comment section below and I'll answer it for you. All in all, I would suggest trying this unit. I love when synthetic or affordable units have more of a frontal hairline. I'm always for that. So if you're looking to get a little bit of experience in some frontals but not having to deal with so much lace or plucking or anything like that, then this would definitely be one to try. They also have other colors. If you don't like this color, you can stick with your regular black or brown tones, and I think they have it in some blondes as well, and they do. So If you're interested in that, they also have that ability for you there. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Thank you again to Outre for sending this unit, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.